Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanie and I'm back with another makeup look. So if you want to see I got this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I got my eyebrows done beforehand, so I'm just gonna go in with my eyeshadow, and I'm going with my favorite palette, the matte book. So I'm gonna go in with this deep purple right here, then I'm gonna go in with this one.
And I'm just packing this color.
And I'm blending the lighter purple right above that. So I am gonna go in with this pink right here. And guys, I am gonna go in with this green right here and blend that right. And I'm just like dabbling it into the area right there. Alright guys, so this really bright yellow right here, that's what I'm gonna put into the inner creases of the eye. And guys, I'm just cutting my crease with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in light ivory. And I'm just making sure that concealer is super dry before I put anything else on it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with this white shade right here, and I'm gonna pack it into the cut crease. So I want to get that pink and that white all blended in, so I'm gonna go back in with this hot pink. I got my other brow down, and I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors liquid eyeliner. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Nika K mascara, and I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes and get them ready for my Eye Envy 3D lashes. And there we go. So guys, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Primer And I'm gonna put that under my lower lash lids. So after putting that primer on my lower lash lid, I'm gonna go back in with that yellow and that green. I'm gonna do my foundation routine. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation routine, and you guys already know my two foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me in 340 Cappuccino and my Wet n Wild foundation in Mahogany. So I'm just gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm gonna use that to do a little highlighting. Now I'm just going to use my foundation brush and go over my highlight to make sure there are no lines and that it's blended out properly. So I always use my Sacha Buttercup powder. So I'm gonna contour my nose with this Pure Mineral Concealer, and it's in the shade Caramel. I'm just gonna blend this out with a very small brush. Okay guys, so I went over with my Sacha Buttercup to, you know, make my contour a little bit sharper, and I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter in a Holy Gold Head. I'm gonna put some of the highlighter up here on my brow bone. So guys, I'm gonna brush off that setting powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my base with my Wet n Wild setting spray. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip with my Nika K Auto Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Royal Purple. After doing that, guys, I have this Ulta Lip Matte Crayon, and I got this from Ulta Beauty, obviously. And this is in the shade Firecracker, and I'm just gonna put that over my lips. So guys, I'm gonna go in with some blush, and this is my Black Radiance in Warm Berry, and I'm just gonna put a little bit